birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Because they said life begins at 40. Hindi ko lang tanggap na 40 na ako. I'm happy to be 40. And maraming salamat sa lahat sa inyong oras. Hala, ang pwede ko lang magbigay ng speech.
Oh my God!
Thank you na lang. Grabe kita niya. Hindi naman ako nga pala. Mas wish mo na yun.
Well.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Marcos.
Ay, bilis mo naman wish.
Happy birthday,
Tuloy ako nakapagbigay ng speech. Basta alam niyo na yan. Thank you so much for sharing. For sharing this milestone with me. My left hand doesn't accept the fact that I'm 40, but my left says that you should be proud of this milestone.
Happy moment mo.
Ito po pala yung resulta kapag kumakain ka ng lobster dahil hindi mo afford sa labas.
Katalaba.
May enjoy the lobster, guys. Basta maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa oras. Alam ko Sunday sa family day. And lahat naman kayo is family ko. Kaya, ayun na yun. Thank you so much.
God bless you.
Ayun po, thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Good health para sa ating lahat. Siyempre, first and foremost. Tapos, ano pa ba? Longer lifespan for cats and dogs. And, ayun. Thank you po. Thank you so much. I love you all, Mama Chuchu. Sarang yun. Sarang yun.